since we attended the workshop for authentication, tamang-tama, meron nagpa-authenticate sa atin kagabi lang. And now, let's find out kung fake ba siya or original. So I'm talking about the Gucci Jackie shoulder bag. This was actually introduced during the 1961 and this bag is almost 50 years na. Nakakaloka, 'di ba? So as you can see, it's really vintage na talaga yung itsura niya. Kung hindi ka marunong tumingin ng bag talaga, masasabi mong mukha siyang original. When I actually saw this talaga last night, I must say na, oh my gosh, mukha siyang original, especially the canvas ha. Pero maraming spot kang kailangan tignan para malaman na ang isang bag ay fake o hindi. So, let's find out. So, first na tinignan ko dyan is of course, the canvas, okay? Pero I actually focus on the hardware, especially this one. Okay, yung dito na part sa may buksanan niya is yung naka-print dito sa kanya is definitely yung naka-engrave, hindi siya pulido at sobrang makikita ninyo na parang hindi mabasa yung made in Italy. And especially the Gucci na nakalagay, hindi siya polished at hindi mabasa. Parang magkakaparehas na letter pa yung G at saka yung C. Correct? Kita nyo yan. And of course, dito sa kanyang mga sides, yung kanyang mga kanto, makikita nyo dito, mami, definitely, this is not really polished. You know what I'm saying? And yung kanyang pinaka-tornilyo niya dito sa may bag, ayan, makikita ninyo, sobrang lubog and everything, hindi polished. Look at the hardware, diba? And at the same time, sa kanyang heat stamp, ipapakita ko sa inyo, this one, yung nasa loob niyan, yung Gucci niya, grabe, hindi ganyan ang letter G, yung nandito sa loob. Hindi ganyan ang letter G, ang letter C, pero magugulat kayo doon sa likod niya, yung number niya dito, yung manufacture date niya, grabe mukhang totoo. Kasi usually ngayon mga mami, yung mga Roman numeral ng Gucci na number is actually nagagaya na rin ng fake. So kung ma-check nyo dito mami, hindi rin siya maganda. Pero actually maganda yung pagka-numbering niya actually, mukha siyang totoo. Pero this is fake. So, from the heat stamp, from the Gucci dito, sa kanyang hardware, makikita nyo grabe, hindi siya polished. And of course, dun sa pinaka-puller niya, may nakalagay na Gucci, nakakaloka. So, mawiwindang talaga kayo. But overall, kung makikita mo kasi siya, it's really like totoo, ba? Diba? Especially the canvas. And yung pinaka-handle niya kasi, may ganito na dark brown talaga siya. Okay? Pero kung nag-aral ka talaga ng authentication, you will see everything. Hindi lang sa amoy kayo magdidepende, hindi lang sa itsura, but there are many pointers or points na kailangan yung dapat malaman, especially on authenticating the bags. So I must say, this bag is really fake, okay? Kaya kung bibili kayo sa online mga mami, dapat ang bibilhan ninyong mga seller is yung mga reputable, knowledgeable, at uma-attend ng mga ganitong workshop, okay? So I just wanna say thank you again to our master from the PGO Academy, to master, to Luxury Amethyst. Thank you, Mami Janelle, dahil nagamit ko yung pinag-aralan sa workshop. Oh my goodness gracious. So, again, this one is fake, so, okay. This is Kavog Luxurious. Be a Kavogera and be one of us.